Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little Halloween look, and I already did my foundation and my brows. My brows are looking a little different right now. This one's kind of looking blue and this one's looking black. The only reason it's doing that is because I put concealer to try to, make this one shorter, and it turned like a blue color, and I tried to fix it but it's not working, so I'm just gonna have to deal with it right now because I don't want to take it off and have to do it again. For my brows, I did use this Elmer's stick glue. I just kind of put it on the ends of my brows, brushed it up with a spoolie, and just kind of flattened the hairs against my skin. And then I set them with Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I set my whole face. I used NYX Honey Do Me Up primer. Jesus. I used this Stay Matte foundation in Ivory. This was actually, it's pretty good coverage, but it was way too pink and light for me. So I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna go with a light face today. And I did 2 coats of this. And then I put on Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in light neutral. And I also set my lids with that concealer as well. So now I'm going to contour my face with this black color in the Morphe 35M palette.
Heat couldn't melt me, cold couldn't cave me. He never knew my form or shape. His heart couldn't melt me, water couldn't bathe me. Caught him gambling with a stare. He took me all the way in despair.
I'm going to dip into this Mud Makeup paint. And I'm going to use this black color right here, and I'm just going to put that on my lids, and I'm going to blend that out.
Operating from another world. I want to be that other girl. That other girl. Want to be that other girl.
Alright, now I'm going to set my eyes with that black color that we used for contouring. Okay, now I'm going to take this purple color right here, and I'm going to just kind of lightly add that on top.
He never knew what I was made of. He couldn't melt me, cold couldn't cave me. He never knew my form or shape. His heart couldn't melt me, water couldn't bathe me. Caught him gambling with a stare. He took me all the way in despair.
Okay, next we're going to take that black paint that we used just now, and we're going to take a small little detail brush, and we're just going to make little lines underneath the eye.
Operating from another world. I want to be that other girl.
I'm going to put this NYX black liner on my waterline. I'm also going to put on this lipstick by Kat Von D, and this is in Slayer. Now I'm going to go off camera and paint my, I don't know if I want to do my whole neck. I'm going to get to like probably about here. I'm going to go do that and I'll be right back. I'm back. I did my neck. And now I'm just going to put some little bits of eyelash glue on my neck. And I'm going to put some gold flakes on there as well. And these are from Micheals craft store. And I think I got like 100 sheets. And it was like 10 bucks, I think. I'm going to do that, and I'm also going to put a little bit of flakes on my eyelids. Alright, now I'm going to put this Glitter FX lip gloss by Maybelline on my lips. I'm going to go put on some mascara, and I'm also going to go put on some lashes. I'm going to put on these Smooth Gal lashes, and these are in style Fiona. I'm also going to put on Maybelline Big Shot mascara. And I'll be right back. I don't know if I want to leave my hair like this. I kind of like how it makes me look crazy. I think I'm liking it. I like the crazy hair look. This is the final look. So thank you guys. Had to do that a little bit. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.